The celebration of World Radio Day today is especially meaningful as it coincides with the 60 years of media excellence of Bombo Radio Philippines, 6 decades of unmatched performance in public service and broadcasting that have earned the trust of the Filipino people. From humble beginnings to the present, Bombo Radio Philippines has remained committed to our mission to serve, educate, and empower our communities. Today, with 32 fully digitalized radio stations operating nationwide, we continue to adapt to changing times while staying true and grounded to the values that define responsible and credible journalism, unique to Bombo Radio, guided by our culture of excellence. As we celebrate 60 years of service, we keep our commitment to ethical broadcasting, public accountability, and innovation with responsibility. Bombo Radio Philippines will continue to serve not just in the business of content, but in the business of influence, of trust, and a go-to media organization for those in search of trusted news and information. Happy World Radio Day to all! To all our listeners and viewers, mga kabombo at ka-Star Nation, maraming salamat po for making us a part of your day. Basta Radio, Bombo!